just one St. Petersburg update. As you can see, we're making tremendous progress. We're on level 26 of structure, level 18 of our window installation, and level 6 of our parking deck. Level 6 of our parking deck is in progress. This is the most complex deck because we'll also have pool structure on this deck. Tile and drywall installation is complete on our lower floors. We've also begun installing cabinets in our lower units. Here you see how we protect your tile during the construction process. Here's a bay view from level 18. Here is the floor underlayment that we're using in our typical tile installation. This helps with sound control. We've completed framing through level 20, and here you can see our progress with mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and fire protection rough installations. Here we are at level 26, where our west-facing units offer a spectacular view of the city and provide amazing sunset views. Here we are on level 28, preparing for our deck pour, and right now pouring verticals for level 29. We thank you for being a part of us and look forward to next month's update.